Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. What should I say? Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel, and we have a special guest today in the person of Graceonyourdash. She's like the biggest Afro-Italian YouTuber, like.
Thank you.
So I'm still next to you. Like, you guys, this is a dream come true. You guys, she slays my existence, she slays my life. Like, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. So I used the Mauve-Obsessions while Grace used the warm brown. Yeah, so you guys, please head over to her channel. I'm going to leave a link to her channel down in my description box. Please guys, go over there and show her some love. She's been showing me immense love ever since I got to Italy. She's been my #1 supporter. She's been believing in me even when I don't believe in myself. Like, it's funny, like when you don't believe in yourself but somebody else believes in you. So you guys should please go show her some love.
Because you're talented. I mean, you're very talented, and when I say this, I really truly mean it, because you put so much effort, and even the type of looks that you do, I'm like, oh my god, this girl.
Girl, I'm humbled. I'm humbled.
Yes, you're really very talented. So please subscribe. I want my community to become yours, and I hope that my community will start to follow you and admire you and give you support, the support that you need. You deserve so much more love here on YouTube. So
thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm just going to start off by taking this shade as my first transition color. I'm using the Morphe M200 brush to just apply that as my transition. Yeah, this color is like really pigmented. And I'm going in windshield wiper motions. So taking a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges of this shade just so that we don't have any harsh lines around. So once that is done, I'm just going to go back and intensify that blend.
Girl, that blending, yeah. Okay.
So I'm still building that same shade, which is this one. I'm still working with it. So I'll be taking in this shade just to deepen my crease and add more dimension. So I'm taking this one. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M330 brush to apply that shade. So I just switched my brush. I'm going with the Sigma E25 brush. It's way more precise than the one from Morphe. So I'm just picking that same shade and I'm popping it just along the outer V area. I'll go back in with my first brush and blend out any harsh line. Whenever you're blending, always make sure to go back in with the previous brush that you used, you know, to just get a cleaner blend. So now I'm going to be cleaning out, you know, my lid space with the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. I'm taking this shade. I spray my brush with a little bit of the NYX Dewy Finish Spray, and then I'm going with this one.
Quando avete iniziato a truccarvi?
I started doing my makeup at the age of 18, 19, yeah, 19 anni, quando ero in università. Yeah, that's when I started doing my makeup. Just because I love makeup, I have always loved to do makeup, but you know, when you're from Africa, Nigeria especially, girl, my family go and read your book. We want to do makeup. No makeup in this house. No capelli. No peruke in this house. You have to be natural, eh? my dear daughter. So what I'm noticing is the brush isn't picking up the shimmer shades like very well. I've also changed my brush. I used this one. It didn't work at first. I then switched to the Real Techniques shading brush, it also did not work. But with my finger, it's like picking it up like really good. It's picking that shade up really good. But with the brush, it's not coming out as pigmented as I would, you know, want it to come out. I'll be going in with this shade next.
Qual è il cibo più buono della Nigeria secondo voi?
The most delicious food in Nigeria. Okay, the thing is, there isn't a particular food that is the most delicious because...
Are you sure?
Yes, as you guys know, we have about 200 ethnic groups and each ethnic group has their own food. So I'm going to talk based on my own ethnic group. I'm Igbo, and I would say the most delicious food in the Igbo land is egusi soup and fufu. Like,
fufu.
Yeah, fufu. No, girl, it's not fufu. Fufu.
Fufu.
My outer corners, I'm going to go in with this shade. Just right here. I'm really loving the matte shades in this palette. Like, they are the bomb. Guys, so now we have both eyes set. I'm going to take this NYX glitter gold. So it's like a 3-in-1 glitter kit, and this is like the mini sized glitter primer. So I'm going to be picking this pink shade. I want to do like a glitter liner on top of that crease because it's not looking so sharp. So so to blend out my under eye, I'm going to take this shade. Next, to highlight my brow bone area, I'm going to be going in with the Hudabeauty Summer Highlighter. Applying some mascara to my bottom lashes. Again, back to highlight with the same summer palette from Hudabeauty. My lips, I'll be lining with Max Vino. Going in with a little bit of Mauve-Obsessions. Okay, so I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss.
How did you find this palette, the mauve one? Do you think it's pigmented? You found maybe some eyeshadows less pigmented than others? How did you find it?
For me, I really love the matte shades. Like, you guys, the matte shades are top notch, but the shimmer shades, they are a bit they're a bit funny to work with. I don't know if it's because the palette is new, because initially when I dipped my brush into the shimmers, it wasn't picking up, but with my hand it was like really picking up, but with the brush it wasn't picking up as much as I would love for it to do. All I would say, I prefer the matte shades to the shimmer shades.
Definitely me too. Yes, I do prefer matte shades because they're very powdery, but at the same time they're very pigmented and very easy to blend. Very easy to blend, you guys. Amazingly easy to blend. And also, I think that this palette and also the other one, the warm.
Yeah, warm obsession, warm brown.
The warm brown, they're both dark skin friendly.
Yes, they are very dark skin friendly, 100%, that's for sure.
Yeah, and also TBH, I thought this palette was bigger.
Girl!
I mean,
who's the girl?
Here we have the NYX palette, the Ultimate, and here we have the Hudabeauty. I mean, seriously? It's very big. It's very small. Very small. But it was, I don't know, maybe because I saw on the website the pictures were,
they look bigger.
Yes, but you know, maybe they try to create a go-to palette.
I approve of this palette. And you?
Yes, I do.
I approve. It being small does not compromise the quality of the palette.
Absolutely not.
The matte shades, top notch. The shimmer shades,
absolutely.
I really do approve of this palette. In fact, I am in love with the matte shades. I will say that 100. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you're new on here. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by. And also, after you're done subscribing, also make sure to click on the notification bell, that little bell like down there somewhere. Kindly click on it to always receive alerts whenever a new video is posted on my page. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.